Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here for a daily journal slash journaling vlog video. I haven't done one of these since August. No, did I even do one in August? I did the San Francisco pen show vlog, but I don't think I did a daily journaling vlog. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how I journal in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner, but also give you little snippets of my life throughout this week. So what I'm going to be decorating with in my daily journal is, if I can find all the stickers here, are stickers from my new release that are coming, or that by the time this video comes out, came out Friday, October 18th. So this is the Cozy Corner collection. As you can see, I've already used some stickers from it, and I use them in my, let's see here, flip all the way back. I've used it in my my weekly. Gosh, words are hard right now. So I'm going to use this to decorate some of the daily pages here, but also I'm going to be using these inky splatters, and I'm going to combine it with some stickers from According to Ali. Ooh, these ones, yes. Like some of her abstract fall, I think would be perfect for that. Let's get started. So I'm going to start decorating with one of my favorite pieces of washi, this text washi from the washi tape shop. And I like to rip it in half diagonally like that because I feel like it just looks cooler. Really, at the end of the day, I'm not going to say it's about aesthetic or anything. It just looks cool. And then I'm putting basically different, I guess, bundles. Gosh, what did this used to be called? Bunches of stickers together. And I normally like to put 2 or 3 together. And then I'm going to write my to-do list and use the dots from my collection to outline the to-do list. And what I'm going to, I like using these dots for the to-do list because they just look so cute. Then moving on to Wednesday and Thursday, where I'm going to use my spooky ink splatters in combination with some stickers from According to Ali. Now, these splatters, if you don't know, I make them using fountain pen ink, and I love using fountain pen ink because, especially when I combined 2 different ink colors for this, it also created kind of like a brown as well. So you never know what fountain pen ink is going to look like when combined with another one. I love the overall effect of it. Then moving on to Friday and Saturday, I decide to cut the ink splatter in half so that I could place it in 2 different parts of the spread. I do this with According to Ali's alcohol inks as well, and I just think it's a really great way to make the most of one sticker. If you cut it in 2, then you can use it in 2 different spots in your spread. And then again, using some of these abstract fall stickers from According to Ali. I think the combination of the line drawings with the ink splatter, it just gives a really cool effect, and it's such an easy way to be able to decorate a spread as well. Plus, I mean, just having the effect of the 2, there's an equal balance of where the focus wants to go. And then Sunday, I'm gonna go back to my my Cozy Corner collection. I love that the name, when I asked everyone on Instagram what they thought this collection should be called, cozy was the word that the majority of people thought this collection felt like, and I really love that. So that's decorating for the week. All right, so there are all of my pages decorated. I really love the way that ink splatter looks there, and then there as well. Probably some of the favorite I've ever done. And then the last with the Cozy Corner. All right, so that is all decorated, ready for the week. And now I will take you through a little bit of a week in the life, as well as how I journal on a day-to-day basis.
Here we go. So other arm can be out to the side, or it can be on your hip.
Just got my nails done. Decided to go with like a gray color. Different for what I usually do, but I like it. Making myself some French toast. Yeah. Morning, puppy. You want to play with your penguin? Ready? Set. Go. Working on getting the new releases printed and cut so I can film and then put everything online. I'm getting this done earlier than normal because I'm going to be out of town later this week. I'll be perfectly transparent. I'm writing this to-do list in at 4:10, and that's okay. Just catching up in my journal, so adding in my to-do list with my Esterbrook Esty in the quirky leaf. Sorry for the blur there, but now then I'm gonna go and start journaling for the day. I'm trying something new where I'm adding like a nice header in a larger font or in larger print to kind of break up the sections of my day. And so far, I'm actually really liking that effect. What you also haven't seen is that I've already updated most of this today. Like I added my workout, I had a manicure, I was able to digitize and print and cut all my stickers, and I was able to film my new release video and my A5 video. I've done the product photos, so now I have product listings, email, meal plan, and order groceries to do. Morning. You're barking at everyone this morning. Yeah. Morning, Lucy. Look at this beautiful sunrise. Look at that. I'm on my lunch break at work, and this one is on my chair, but I'm printing an order during my lunch break, so trying to fit in what I can, and please don't mind the mess. Finished work, and now I am making dinner before I have to head to physiotherapy. I'm back home after physio, just had dinner. Now I am back in my office to just finish up that order. I'm gonna journal a bit, then watch a movie with my husband. Very busy day. This is a very long day, but busy. So it is now 8:30. I'm just getting to filling in my planner. Whew. So I'm updating my weekly spread by adding that my husband and I watched Mission Impossible last night and adding a cute sticker. Then this morning I worked out on my stepper and then took Lucy out on a walk. And I always have to put stickers because for me, I like being able to put stickers down. I like the look of both non-stickered and stickered days. And then just writing down some things that happened at work, like it was busy on cue today, which is expected after a holiday. It was my first time on chat. And then during my lunch hour, I was able to start printing and cutting an order. And then I had a demo this afternoon with somebody from Bangladesh, which was cool. And then I had my physio appointment at 6:30, which I totally forgot about until just last night. And flipping to my journal, full transparency here. I'm still catching up on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I did my to-do list and start of Monday, and it's Tuesday. So I'm going to catch up as much as I can tonight and see where we get to. But first, I'll go ahead and write down today's to-do list. Sometimes I'm great at writing my to-do list first thing, and other days I'm trying to even remember what I did, which is the way I feel today. So I'm gonna go ahead then and catch up on my journaling over the next few days, or from the last few days here, and then I'm going to bed. See you tomorrow. Just journaling and having a scone and a coffee while waiting for my next appointment. Here at the hospital for my appointment. I'm actually at the right hospital this time. Last week I was not. It's been a few hours since I came home and I felt not great after my appointment at the hospital. I hadn't eaten much, was feeling nauseous, so I came home and I slept. And definitely feeling better, but it's been a quiet rest of the day for me. But I do want to show you a little project because I'm so happy with how the photos turned out. I took fall photos with my family a couple of weeks ago. I did these in a local park with my iPhone and a tripod, and they turned out so lovely. So yeah, that's my little feature wall. So plan for this evening is to tidy up the kitchen while Rob and the kids are out for a walk. I'm gonna fold laundry, pack, and then journal the rest of the night. I'm trying hard to catch up on all of my journaling, but also doing my to-do list for today, but also knowing that I'm traveling tomorrow while working. It's a crazy week, and I love using this pen for adding headers. It just adds so much interest.
You have it out to the side, you're going to start to feel and slowly extend.
Back on the stepper while watching Grace. Just finished up about 3.5 hours of work. Now I'm headed to the airport. I'm gonna work for a few more hours before I board my flight to Vancouver. I'm here in Vancouver, and it's not a vacation at all. It's a work trip, but there's no trip with me without some form of drama or mistake on my part. I don't know why, but I went to the wrong hotel and was wondering why don't they have my info to check me in, and I realized I was at the wrong hotel. Thankfully, it wasn't on the other side of Vancouver or anything. It was only a 15-minute walk, but yeah. But anyway, my priority for getting to Vancouver was to go to the Vancouver pen shop. Now, unfortunately, they didn't allow any filming or photography in there, so I don't have any footage, but they were so lovely and so nice, and I ended up buying this. I bought Sailor 530. It looks like a dusty pink that I might like, so we'll see. And then I bought the Vancouver Pen Shop's exclusive Robert Oster ink, which is Van Pen 86, because 1986 was the year that they started, or they opened their business, and it is a like grayish brown, which I'm very excited to try. And then I bought a Kaweco. Why did I buy a Kaweco? Well, I have Kay to blame for this because she gifted me a Kaweco Sport in San Francisco, and I actually really liked it, and then I decided I needed to get this pen again. And I say again because this is not my first macchiato. I had a macchiato when I first started in the fountain pen journey, and the nib wrote horribly, and it turned me off Kawecos forever until Kay gave me one this summer. So I'm like, I really like this color, I have to get it. Here we go. So this is in an extra fine, and I will test it when I get home. Oh, what a day. The view from my hotel room of downtown Vancouver. It's not raining yet. And then I went out for dinner with a few team members. I don't have much footage from Friday because it was a very busy conference day. This was us having lunch at Joey's and then me walking back in the rain. This wasn't even that hard of a rainfall. And then we got popcorn because we were in a movie theater. And then we had our team dinner and awards at Good Co. And then I left early and had a really early night. Saturday morning, just after 6, flying home now. Not much footage from yesterday because it was all work stuff, but time to walk in the rain to the train station to get to the airport. I'm home now. I've unpacked, did a little bit of tidying of my stuff, and now I am on the stepper while watching Simona or Simone. We went over to my parents' house for an impromptu dinner, and I'm sitting here with Lucy watching Casper. What a great way to end the day.
Through the hip. Good, you're pressing through those heels.
Time to go down to my basement with my coffee. It's a little late in the day, it's like noon. I'm gonna go work on some sticker orders. It is almost 9 o'clock on Sunday evening, and I need to catch up on Friday, Saturday, as well as Sunday. So this does sometimes happen where I'm catching up on a few days, and that's okay. It's been a busy week. I didn't get to journal at all yesterday or the day before, and I try not to get too far behind when I'm journaling, but I just want to let you guys know that it does happen and that it's okay. Like even in my 5-year journal, I am very behind. And when I say very behind, I think the last entry that I did, was October 6th, and it is currently the 20th. So I'm 2 weeks behind on this. So I'm gonna do the best that I can to catch up. This is the furthest behind I've ever been in my 5-year journal, but I'm gonna do what I can to catch up, and it's okay. It's okay. I'll do a quick flip through of my journal pages once I'm all done. All right, so here we are, and I'm actually filming this flip through on Wednesday. So let's see what my week looks like beforehand. And I love it when it's all filled in like this. It's just full of life. I haven't been filling in my sleep. I need to get better about filling that in. And then flipping to the journal portion, which is, what week was that? Like my journal is, there's still places that I need to put pictures, but overall, like I put the hospital ID tag, the name badge from the conference, and then something from the Fairmont Hotel, and then there as well. So not too bad in terms of filling that in, but I do have to say I am still behind on my 5-year journal. And I think, one, it's just been really busy and I'm tired, as you can see from how busy this past week is. But thank you for joining me on my week in the life vlog. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, so I'm glad to be able to do this. I know it was a little bit all over the place, but I kind of feel like that's what my week was like. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want to watch more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.